A safe house is a safe house for a reason. It has no address. And that's where people build out the supplies for the front lines. It has to move constantly and continuously, or it can be taken or attacked or bombed.
Okay, so this mountain behind us, this is just this round, right?
Yeah, correct. You've donated thousands.
Yeah, I think over 2,500 now.
You have over 2,500 have already gone to the front lines. So it's got the tourniquet, it's got the proper bandages, it's got other blood sealers.
And it has the stuff that helps them save their limbs, right?
Yeah.
It draws the blood into where the injury is so that they don't lose the limb.
There's a lot of hemostatic gauze to stop bleeding, your tourniquets, everything for all these kids that were thrown into war with a rifle and a Band-Aid.
And you've now packed an IFAC that gives a soldier suffering from a trauma wound about a 50% or better chance of staying alive on the battlefield. So, that's pretty awesome what you did.